What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another vlog. Today is Vlogmas 5 and we are getting ready to celebrate my mommy's birthday. My brother made some nice sandwiches. Say hello to my mom and my niecey Pooh. Say hey.
Here we are.
So we're about to get started. Here's the beautiful Christmas tree this Christmas. But I'm about to hang up because my brother has the music going and I don't want to get copyright. So I'll see y'all in a minute. What's up, y'all? I'm back. Ooh, child, I'm looking a hot mess too. I don't know if y'all can see me, but we're about to get into this space game or whatever. But my brother and them is eating the subs. But y'all, when I tell y'all I'm so tired when I'm participating, and honey, why the dafuq challenge on my dad was an epic fail, literally. But I'm gonna show y'all in the next clip how it was an epic fail. Okay, I could not stop laughing. It was so funny. It was so funny. But he did not want to be on the camera. He hates the camera. He hates it when I pull out his stick, baby. He be like, do not put me on that camera. But it was an epic fail, but it was funny because I could not stop laughing. But I'm gonna show y'all in the next clip. This for my podcast. Dad, let's do the video. It's for my podcast. Just come on. Just do. Just come on.
I done told you about all that pictures. Go ahead.
Come on, Dad.
Tria.
Dad, come on. The fuck?
I ain't into it.
Dad, come on and do the video. You acting mad crazy. The fuck? Come on, Dad.
I'm playing out of here.
Dad, it's for my podcast. The fuck?
Definitely I don't want to be on no podcast. Move.
Daddy, do it. The fuck? Just do it. Just
Teeth
do
out the
it.
mouth. Man, I ain't trying to see
Your
that.
teeth is not out the mouth. The fuck?
This right here. What is she doing, Sweat?
I'm not doing that. Come on, Dad.
Every time I'm around
Just
you,
say
say
hello.
I hope you ain't. Hey, Sweat.
Daddy.
I'm gonna stick the finger up in a minute.
Oh, do the video through the mirror.
Oh, yeah. That's what it is.
Daddy, come on and do the
Come
video.
on, Trey.
The
I
fuck?
don't you already got me.
Just do it. You guys are terrible. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? 63. How old are you? 63. How old are you? Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Rock and roll.
To you.
To me.
All right, Mom, blow your candles out.
Make a wish.
But that's gonna be a long blow there.
What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to I mean, I drive at night or whatever, but welcome back to the vlog, y'all. So I'm on my way upstairs to my brother and my sister's house. We about to do the girls' night / ornaments, doing all of that good stuff, have a couple of drinks, eat good, and I'm so excited. So thank you so much for continuing on this vlog with me, and let's go upstairs. Let's get it popping. Let's have some fun. I hope that you guys are having fun during this Christmas season. Just a lot has been going on in this world, but at least we get to create memories with great people and great vibes, great energy, and I hope the same for you. But let's go upstairs and get this girls' nights / family night popping. See y'all in a minute. Bye. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. As y'all know, or y'all don't know, I'm going to start a series called The Confessionals. The first video y'all seen, I was just really talking about how I was feeling, how I was, processing certain things and how I'm processing things. And I'm still, if you guys didn't know, and I probably say this a lot, because I learned so much as a woman during the process of the breakup that happened in 2022. And it's been 2 years. Literally, it's been 2 years. Just tell people how to feel. You can't tell people how to feel and process. But this morning when I was praying to God, and I just had to cut the prayer short because I felt like don't want to miss out on this opportunity to really say it. But which was thank God for still being able to feel shattered, but numb. That's when the numbing started.